This is an example of a teacher's lesson plan, and anyone who has ever completed lesson plans for a substitute whenever you're going to be out of the classroom knows how tedious this can be. And so this is from a really clever teacher from Florida who gave us this idea. And she said she just prints her lesson plan guide directly onto the dot paper. And then rather than having to make extensive notes, she just makes audio notes. Much easier for us to give a lot of verbal directions rather than writing it out. So in this particular instance, this is obviously an elementary classroom teacher that is teaching multiple subjects, and she had written out a pilgrim child's life and its small group. So that's all she wrote, but here's her directions to the substitute.
It's a Pilgrim Child's Life, which is written by Cindy Grigg, and you'll find it in the folder that's labeled Thanksgiving Stories. At the end of the story, you'll find a list of questions, and I'd like to be able to get those questions delivered to the students ahead of time so they can be thinking about those while we're reading the story.
So let's get one other example. Here's an art activity, Timmy Turkey Project.
I have already run off the Timmy Turkey sheets, and so you'll find those in the folder that's labeled Thanksgiving.
So you see how long it would take to try to write out all the specific directions, but the teacher is able to just put an audio dot on the lesson plan paper that's printed onto the dot pattern paper and give the verbal directions to the substitute rather than having to take the time to write it all out.